व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनितये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः. साधुदर्शनं पापविमोचनं. Vedanta Darshana fully established that Jiva is full associated, affiliated and to be merged with Paramatma. In Pratipasika Satya, all the Jivas are considered to be in different issues. Even though the whole Paramatma is divided into different animals, different human beings, different living beings, the oneness is to be considered, and it declares that Paramatma, the Supreme Absolute Consciousness, is the cause of all the living beings. Vedanta accepts all the other darshanas and is never against any of the darshanas. But Anadigadittvam, when you say Abhamgaditvam, there is new version which has never been said in all the other five darshanas, accepting all the five darshanas. The cause and effect mentioned in the Sankhya Darshana by Kapila Maharshi is also the basic reason for Vedanta Darshan. Without a cause, there cannot be an effect. This is the first rule and law given by Kapila Maharshi. And effect is nothing but the cause itself manifested in different forms. Ornaments are from gold only. Even though ornaments are absent, gold remains. If gold is absent, there is no ornament. This is the example Bhagavan Shankaracharya always used to quote. Effect called ornaments are gold itself manifested in different forms. The third law declares that from an effect, if the cause is removed, nothing remains. From an ornament, the cause called gold is removed, nothing remains. Jivatma, Paramatma has this relation which is called relationless relationship. Paramatma himself with the Ichcha so kamayata bahusyam prajayeyedi has converted to Jiva with the help of Maya. This is the statement which is to be studied very clearly, thoroughly and deeply. Vedanta textbooks are not describing or are not made to describe Maya. It is a pure, thorough study of Brahman, the Self. But to come to the conclusion without any feelings or sufferings. We are being forced to study what is Maya. Let us see that in details tomorrow. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.